So there you go. I've built all 12 of the brand new series from the Lego, what do you call this? The blind box series, the Formula 1 series. And in my opinion, I personally think that all of these cars look great in person, especially when it's in this compact, small-sized, mini-scale sort of F1 car. As you can see right here, for example, I'm holding the Mercedes team right here, the Petronas team, and I love the fact that the size is just great. Wonderful for people that are willing to collect, and maybe if they are a Formula 1 fan, so they happen to collect all of these. And in my opinion, I would say that whoever that's watching this video might be a Formula 1 F1 fan. I really recommend you to get one whole set, especially when there are 12 in a set, and one case or one carton would be 24, which means there are 2 sets. And the most I would say the most efficient way to do it is by buying the whole set, so that it can guarantee you all of these Formula 1 F1 cars, basically, because nowadays in the Lego stores, people are now chasing around aftering the few Formula 1 teams, especially the Ferrari team, this red colored Ferrari F1 car, which is what people are looking for. The next one would be Mercedes team as well. And then after that would be Max Verstappen's Red Bull team right here, which people are looking for a lot. Those are the top 3 that people are looking for in stores right now. So if you want to get the whole set, I would say yes, better go ahead and get your whole set from the Lego store before stocks end up being gone. Now, I know one whole box is 24. You would have to give you some effort for you to get the whole set, as there are 12 and one box is 24, of course, so there might be doubles. So the best way to recommend you all to do it is to download a certain app so that you can scan the QR code beneath the boxes. I've used that to get this whole set at once, of course. Or the other way to do it is by just buying the whole box, which consists of 24, which is 2 sets. And maybe if you want to have one collection opened, one whole set opened and another one sealed, it would also be nice if you are willing to buy one whole carton. Now, here in Malaysia, one box of this one car, which would be priced at 19 ringgit 90 cents, so roughly about 20 Malaysian ringgit. So one whole set would mean that it would be 240 bucks, around that. And I'm not sure what's the prices in the US, but this one should cost roughly around 4 to 5, I guess, 4 to 5 USD maybe. I'm not entirely sure about that. I'm not sure the prices of these F1 cars in other countries, but I would say for you to collect all, I would say rather just buy the whole box, rather buy the whole box or one whole set itself, to make your life a bit more easier, as well, you don't need to compete with other people to get a specific team or a specific car that you need. For example, the Ferrari or the Mercedes, in one whole set. Of course, it guarantees you one whole set, which means you get to have all of the teams without any issue. And with that, yeah, I have the whole set right here, and let's go through one by one in just a short time, so I don't want to waste too much time. So this is one of my favorites, the Mercedes team, Petronas Mercedes team. Love the teal sort of green and also silver around all of it. Officially licensed, of course. There is the Mercedes logo right there. I love the compact size, and yeah, the building process is quite simple, I would say. Once you've built one F1 car, you can build another one immediately without the instructions, and it's pretty simple and easy to build. This is the Ferrari team. Love the bright red on this one. Red and black is the theme, and a bit of white, of course. So it's a Ferrari team, which is nice. Love the red and white here and there, which is nice. Massive Ferrari logo right there, of course licensed by Ferrari, and also the F1 team. Then next up we have McLaren. Orange, black, and yeah, I think mostly orange and black for this one. Yeah, I love the rims as well on this one. It says McLaren right there with the McLaren logo right there. Oh yeah, the Ferrari one had the Ferrari text on the rear spoiler, which is nice. Then next up we have this team, which yeah, looks really nice. Can't really remember which team is this, but doesn't really state anywhere. But yeah, it looks pretty cool as well. Love the silver, blue, and also red here and there, black as well. Really nice looking team. Helmet's also pretty cool. We have the team over at Alpine or Alpine. Pink, blue, and black. Pretty simplistic and very nice. Alpine right there, and also the A logo for Alpine. Very nice. Next up, Aston Martin. Now the color for this car is a bit too bright, I would say, the green. It does have the Aston Martin logo here and also at the back. This is Aston Martin. Green and yellow, and also some black, which is very nice. Yellow rims, very cool as well. And of course we have Red Bull in dark blue, red, and yellow. Very nice one with the white helmet. Yellow wheels right there, and also the front and back. I don't see any Red Bull logo somehow. This one's, I believe, a custom one. This one's the F1 Academy Formula 1 team. A dark purple colored with a touch of blue and also pink. Kind of reminds me of the Lego Friends lineup. The blue is more to like baby blue, and there is the helmet in white with a blue visor. Very nice. Does say F1 Academy right there. Very cool, simple one. This one is in green as well. Not Aston Martin or anything. Love the green and black. Really nice. Green wheels and the black helmet. Very nice. Green visor. Now this one's Williams Racing in blue and also dark blue. Touch of orange, but yeah, it looks very nice. Blue helmet with the white stripes and also a bit of orange. White colored wheels. This one's a F1 themed Formula 1 car in gray and a bit of silver. And there it says F1 right there. Blacked out helmet with silver right there, and also a red visor. Red wheels, very nice. Quite like this one as well. And this one over at HAAS or Haas, I think. Haas, I'm not sure. Red, white, and also some black. White rims. Oops, sorry about that. Overall, very, very nice. Quite like this one. So yeah, all of these are quite light in weight. If you try to like weigh the box, I would say all of them should roughly have the same weight for each one. And all of these are pretty light if you ask me, and quite compact as well, small size. And I would say all of the building processes are pretty much the same for each and every one of them, compared to the minifigure scale, you know, the figures that come in these blind boxes. Also, love the fact that these wheels do not have the pullback system. I really hate those pullback versions, and luckily all of these don't, which is very nice, so that you have some movability for the cars and all. Can roll front and back quite easily. It can yeah, it's very light nonetheless. Maybe if you have kids that really like F1, you can buy for them these. Pretty easy to build as well, and building process is really simple. And yeah, good job Lego for doing all of these Formula 1 cars. And before we end, I actually didn't really get to show you guys the small little collector's book or something like that. So this is for you to keep track of what you have and what you don't have. All of these 12 Formula 1 cars already have right here in the background. So Lego and Formula 1, there is the instructions. But I have a feeling if you buy the whole set, you wouldn't need the instructions anymore, because once you start building one, it's easy for you to build all the rest of the cars easily. I wouldn't say it's hard to build, it's very easy, straightforward. And yeah, I really do like it. But yeah, there you go, that is my review and also unboxing of all 12 of these Formula 1 cars. And if you ask me to rate my top 3, of course, Mercedes, I like Mercedes, and then Ferrari, and last but not least, we have McLaren. So all these 3 are my favorites. Let me know what you think down in the comment section down below, whether you will get the whole set, or you can basically you want to buy the whole carton, whole box itself. You get the neat little box display as well. So yeah, let me know what you think, whether you will buy the whole box or the whole set of 12 Formula 1 cars. Let me know what you think. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you in my videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See you soon. Bye bye.